Bonjour tout le monde, c'est Alane, Alane en France. Sometimes I'm Alane, which is actually Helen, but it's the closest to my name. We're at the little local church in Bresse. We have shorts on because we're about to go on a hike, so we're not sure if it will be appropriate for us to go in, but we're going to give it a shot. But first, let me just walk you through the cemetery because it's so beautiful. So this is your HSP travel vlog, and I'm just trying to kind of share my experience traveling, being in this little village. I'm starting to settle a bit, and my nervous system is calming the more we move and the more we spend quiet time. Definitely among the cemetery, I feel grounded and settled, because these folks who are in the ground here or who've passed are very settled. And remember that reel I made, that sleep is the cousin of death, that guy had on his shirt and toit? It's true in good ways too. I think that t-shirt meant that, it was a negative thing, because why sleep when you can live, right? But for me, I need the rest and the quiet. There's just something about cemeteries has always been appealing to me. These are so close, and they're right here next to the big church. It's right in the sun, sorry. Today is August 9th, and we're going on another hike, not too big a one, but we're going to find a waterfall and another lake and maybe some ruins. And I'll certainly film it. I think this evening when I take my evening walk, I will come back here and spend some time in the cemetery, settling my brain, my body, and my busy energy so that I can sleep. Last night was really hard, even though I'm a little frustrated because I've been here 5 days and I wanted to be everything, just be really settled, sleeping normally, eating normally. None of that is true. And I think that the technique or the goal for me needs to be acceptance. I'm aware that things are challenging, and I just want to accept that I'm here, I'm doing this adventure. I feel great about it. It's okay to be tired. It's okay to be eating weird food. Not weird, but like food that's not as clean or simple as I eat at home. And I just want to be aware and accept it. And once I accept it, I can take the action of getting on with my doggone life. It's the right thing to do. So, thank you for joining me on this journey. Please subscribe. Alane Friend signing out.